So in this section of International Human Resource Management, we are discussing about cultural comparison. In our earlier module, we were discussing about Hofstede study 1980. According to Hofstede, there are 4 dimensions. Number 1, individualism, collectivism, power distance, uncertainty avoidance, and masculinity and femininity. Out of that, in our earlier module, we had a discussions on individualism and collectivism. In this section, first we are going to discuss about the number 2 dimension, that is power distance. Power distance denotes the attitude of the society towards power differences and towards reaching the level of equality. It relates to how culture perceives the notion of equality. It relates to how culture perceives the notion of power and status in organization and societies. Large power distance in organization is characterized by formal hierarchies. Their subordinates have little influence in the organization and boss have the total authority. Low power distance is where there is more equality in organizational hierarchy. Power distance plays significant role in workplace relationships. Depending upon power differences, there can be a high power and low power distance. The power distance can be seen in community, society, and country even. Now we are going to discuss the 3rd dimension, that is uncertainty avoidance. The model refers to the interpretation of uncertainty in various cultures. It focuses on the level of which a country tolerates uncertainty and ambiguity within the society. All societies are affected by uncertainty, but the level of avoidance of uncertainty varies from culture to culture. High uncertainty means that the country or the society has low tolerance towards uncertainty avoidance. Low uncertainty means that the society or country has high tolerance towards uncertainty avoidance. They are more tolerant towards threats and anxieties. Now we are going to discuss the 4th dimension of Hofstede study, that is masculinity and femininity. This dimension describes if a culture is bound towards the values that are seen as more similar to a woman or man. Masculinity or male orientation are characterized by ambition, assertiveness, competition, excellence, while femininity is characterized by sensitivity, modesty, harmony, and propensity for quality of life. High masculinity indicate a high degree of gender differences, usually favoring men rather than women.